XRP is currently up almost 5% on the day, sitting at $1.46 at the time of recording. If we zoom out to the week, up 32%, and it shows no signs of slowing down. Is another big XRP rally, another big leg up coming? I'm going to answer that question in this video. Also share some very important news. So watch the video in its entirety, like the video, and subscribe to the channel, and let's start. Now, with XRP, we have shown this chart. We showed this pattern about a week ago, and we said, look, XRP is coming into a bullish pennant, and it's going to break to the upside. And guess what? It did break to the upside, and it broke from a low to wick of around 50%. Well, XRP is looking like it's doing something similar yet again, where we see another move up, another big leg up, and a little bit of consolidation. Now, what's the next move up going to be? Is it going to be another 50% move? If we do, we should see a plus $2 XRP. Just want to show off here. We did enter an XRP long position, which I have not closed, and I do not plan on closing because my liquidation price is under 90 cents, and I don't think XRP will ever get under 90 cents again. I truly believe that. So I plan on keeping this thing open for a very, very long time, looking to get maybe a 1,000 to 2,000% gain for this leverage trade. We leveraged 8x on XRP. XRP versus Bitcoin has been absolutely flying. If I zoom out, you guys, and we take a look at XRP versus Bitcoin going all the way back to 2017, it has done nothing but bleed against Bitcoin. And so people look at this chart and say, well, if I can't get more gains holding XRP versus Bitcoin, then why the hell would I just not hold Bitcoin? That is a thesis. And that thesis has been true for 7 years. Well, guess what? That thesis is now invalidated because as you can see here, this is going back to November 12th of this year. If you held XRP versus Bitcoin, you, my friends, would be up over 140% with more big gains coming. And let's take a look at what is driving some of these gains. We have this from Armando Pantoja. Whales bought 50 million XRP tokens over the weekend, quietly positioning themselves for what is next. They move in silence before the storm. They definitely know something is up with XRP. Could this be one of the things? Well, not this one, but I'll show you that in a second. But open interest for XRP hits an all-time high of $1.8 billion. That's billion with a B, driven by Gary Gensler's exit, Trump's election win, and speculation regarding an XRP ETF. We know Bitcoin got one, Ethereum got one. What's the next one that makes complete sense? It is the cryptocurrency that has officially been labeled a non-security by the courts. It is a cryptocurrency that has been around for a decade. It is a cryptocurrency that serves a utility that a lot of people say will be number one in the entire space. And now that you have the regulatory cloud, the cloud of what Gary Gensler and Jay Clayton did with the lawsuit, now that has been lifted, and everything is seeming more pro-Bitcoin as far as from a policy and regulation side, there is no reason why XRP should not be the very next ETF to go live on the stock exchange. You see here from Eleanor Tourette, global ETF provider wisdomtree has registered in the state of Delaware for an XRP ETF. I have confirmed with the company this is a legitimate filing. They have over $100 billion in assets under management. They also have a Bitcoin and an Ethereum ETF. We know a few weeks ago, there was Canary Capital and another, forget the name of it, but if you remember, drop it in the comment section. Let me know. It was Canary Capital and something else. They filed for an XRP ETF. The big one here is going to be if BlackRock or Fidelity file for an XRP ETF. If they do that, it is a done deal. Write it, ship it, send it home. It's going to get approved. I'm not saying it's not going to get approved if they don't, but when you have names like BlackRock and Fidelity, we saw what they did with the Ethereum ETF. When BlackRock finally filed, we got an Ethereum ETF approval with Gary Gensler at the helm. Now, this can come with Gary Gensler at the helm or after Gary Gensler. Doesn't matter. It is coming, and I bet it will come early in 2025, the first half of the year. You also have XRP gaining mainstream use case. Mainstream kind of people are covering it, right? You take a look here from Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple. Last week, 60 Minutes interviewed me about crypto, the push for regulatory clarity, and how the industry banded together to advocate for pro-innovation candidates through the Fair Shake PAC. Full episode to be aired this Sunday, December 1st. This is one of the most watched programs in the United States and globally, period. And you have the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, representing Ripple and, of course, XRP. And this video will be viewed by millions of people. This is going to be big. You talk about bringing eyeballs to Ripple, to the XRPL, to the stable coins, to the project, to everything. This is how it gets done. And so we're excited to watch that episode when it does air. You also had big news that archax, they have tokenized a fund on Ripple Net on the XRP ledger. And here is the gentleman, the CEO of archax, talking about the potential that this can have on XRP.
No, well, I'm probably a bit more bullish, but I have been for 6 years and slightly behind my original projections. But the total market is 1.4 quadrillion, everything that's ever out there. And if you start looking across any of those asset classes, they're all starting to move on-chain already. And the ease with which we've seen people interested in the money market fund, tokenized treasuries, and those types of instruments, the support for stable coins, when you're talking about replacing cash, when I see DTCC, Euroclear, Clearstream, it only takes one of them to flip onto natively digital, and that's trillions of assets on its own that move. So, tens of trillions, I think we could see. And bearing in mind it's 1.4 quadrillion, this is still a tiny slice of a huge market. 30 to 50 trillion, all on XRPL, all trading on archax.
Here we go, $50 trillion. 2 years from now, Ripple Twitter will replay the session.
Ripple Twitter will replay the session. 4 years ago on Christmas, Jay Clayton stuffed the XRP holders' stockings with coal. That is when the lawsuit came about. That is when it was filed. I'm saying this Christmas, Santa Claus is coming down that chimney and he's going to put a $2 XRP into your stocking in your portfolio. I'm calling it right now. We're going to get a $2 XRP by Christmas, potentially higher. A lot of things are lining up for XRP and Ripple, and we're excited to see it uncover, and we're excited to cover it here on this channel. Also, if you want an in-depth write-up of XRP, everything they're doing and how bullish the project is going to be, you can only find it in the first ever Crypto Almanac, your comprehensive guide to everything crypto in 2025. The link is in the description. Pre-order yours now. Also, come check out our live show Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.